Mr. Mortis, I trust you have my product?
Of course, just as you specified. 100% hardwood scrap. I hope you're smart enough to not play me with veneered particle board, boy. No, sir. We guarantee our product is of the highest specification. It's pure.
Very good, Mr. Mortis.
Thank you, sir. Colonel Countersink appreciates your business.
Yeah, tell him to keep it coming.
Come out to the shop, we'll get together, make a few cuts.
Get him!
John, what makes you think you could come into my place of business, disrupt a very important transaction without any consequence? No, my boy. Now I feel like I must set an example and show you that you messed with the wrong guy.
The price of lumber is at an all-time high, skyrocketing nearly 200%.
The next step is to put some stain on our piece of bubinga.
I'm gonna patch this hole in my gutter with a piece of MDF that I found.
Yes.
No fence, no miter gauge. Cutting on the table saw, freehand.
I have one more treat for you, John. You see, the other day, your pal Detective Dado tried the same thing you did, and it would be my pleasure if you would watch him have a rather serious woodworking injury. And by the way, I disengaged the brake. Ha 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 ha! Let's go, boys.
Hang tight, detective.
Forsner, Kurf, schnell! Snipe!
Looks like I'm gonna have to do things the old-fashioned way. Hold it right there, Snipe. John. Go ahead and drop it. Whoa, okay. Let her go, Snipe. This is between me and you.
Right, and damn my desire to hurt you in interesting ways. No, this time, I'm not gonna make you cut 1,000 dovetails, or replace all your power tools with Central Machinery brand. No, this time, I'm gonna make it quick.
Central machinery. Lily, hungry hippos. Oh, good. You're awake.
You're making a big mistake, John. I'll have the force of the entire guild come down upon you.
You know, Snipe, I just had a new dust collector put in. 5 horses. Yeah, they say it could suck a bowling ball through a keyhole.
You wouldn't. No. No. No!
I should build some cornhole boards or maybe a charcuterie.